We're here at Innovative Car Sound with a 2003 Ford F-150. It now has an Autopage remote start alarm with a quarter-mile pager, lock and unlock, pop trunk for cars, remote start, locks the doors, unlocks the doors, honking horn, flashing lights, siren underneath the hood, a blue LED light right by the window when the alarm system is locked and active. Unlock. For the remote start, all we do is hit the start key once, remote whistles, and the engine cranks. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. Autopage, remote start alarm, security, lock and unlock. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.